what we are looking at right now is a calculator I made through Fluent Forms Pro. The Pro version one is able to add various calculations. The free version does not add calculations, but one can do unconditional logic. So here one can choose from 3 different products. And we see also the image changes here to show the different product that is selected. Below here is a members overview of how many members are selling a specific product. For instance, celebration gift cards. How many members are selling these types of cards? And here it says products sold per person. If that is 1, and sale price, let's say that is $20. For that, and one only gets $20 in sales for selling celebration gift cards. I'm not adding in the initial purchase cost of purchasing these in before selling these on. So here we can choose how many members we want to have. For instance, sold per person. If they're 30 and they sell 10, and they're, let's say, sell they're $30 for a package, one gets then sales $9,000. So I'll show you how that is made. I also removed the submit button here, and I've also done some styling. Here we can see it's a blue background. You can see also the gray border here with a little bit rounding. So we'll go to the editor, and here is basically the calculator. So I'll click the product type. It uses then a drop down, as you see them here, for that. So nothing more happens in this area. So celebration gift cards, I added an HTML, and I added an image. And this is supposed to be centered in the middle here, but it's not on the front end. But it shows the image, and I added the title above it. I want then to use conditional logic. Here it says select product type equal to celebration gift cards. When you select celebration gift cards up here, it will show celebration gift cards. So, and we can go with the gift packages, the same thing here, only this will then show when gift packages has been selected up here. Christmas package, here then one has Christmas package that is seen in this area when it is selected up here. So in the conditional, one needs to select the product type here and equal to Christmas, and it will show Christmas package. So for calculations, here we have members. We have default value of 15, minimum value 1, max value, so the max 80 members, and this minimum is that 1 member is selling this product. Step is 1 by 1 by 1, and we are doing some we're actually not doing anything on this here, and it's just kind of the slider shows different values. Same with the first sliders here, they show different values here. So the thing is that when we choose, for instance, here Christmas packages, I want that to show sale Christmas packages. So for that, I had to add in the conditional logic. Select product type is Christmas, it will then show this. So this will then be for gift packages, and this for celebration cards, that these 3 will show for the unique what's selected up here, and select product type. So we have various calculations, celebration gift card sales. So to do that, I had a calculation, select product type, which is the one initially. It has, then I'll just select the product type, input member slider, which we have up here. So product type plus the slider, and it will then times sold per person times the price of gift cards, because I'm here on gift cards. So basically there's a calculation for different areas. One selects the product type, and then members plus members, and members times products per sold per person, times sale and the price for the specific product. And that I have then one for gift card sales, one for gift packages sales, and one for Christmas package sales. So, and then we have the various calculations for each of these. So select product type plus input member slider times sold, how many is sold per person, times, for this it's then a Christmas package sales. I need to then have the sale price Christmas package area. So basically one clicks here and adds in the correct field to get the result here. So add in this initial purchase cost is not calculated above the calculations. So this is basically how I made this form. I can go to settings, and actually it's not what I want to go to. I want to go to preview and design. So we have a preview here, and under general I could select a type that I want to use. So I decided to select modern bold. Under miscellaneous we have container style. So I added a light blue background here. You can see it changes. And padding. You can see this goes for all the way around, padding for all areas. I enabled a form border, solid, and wanted that kind of gray. You can see it changes here on the side. And I want then as 10 pixels. So I can first do 90. And it can choose, I just want a little bit curving here. So that made this basically the style that we see on the front end. So here you can see that the submit button has been removed, because I figured that out by going to calculate. Let's see, we're on the wrong page. Here we're on the right page. I wanted then to remove the submit button. And to do that, I will now go back and adjust the CSS. There is a CSS, custom CSS here. And here you can see I've added some code. I will just remove this here now, and I will save it. And that will bring. So this is under Fluent Forms, or regular Fluent Forms, and in the settings integrations, custom CSS area. So when I go to the front end now and refresh, the submit button will be back. To remove that, I right-clicked in the browser, chose inspect, and I wanted then this submit button area here. I want to click into it where I see submit. And basically here we see then button submit here. Fluent Forms. I will go into this one right here, right display none, and we can see it's gone. It's gone from here. So what I did was then I just copied this code like so, copy, and I took it into the custom CSS here and just pasted it in. So because this is form 7, from what I see here, this is then 7. This is in the form ID of 7. I need to make sure I have added that in. And here's the submit not, that in the display none will then hide the submit button. So what I will do is just save here. I will go to the front end, and now the submit button is gone. So this is basically how I made this calculation form. Different sliders that have different steps and values that we will see here in the form. So basically this one here, drop down, it will use conditionals to show an image. Sliders with various values here. And here's where I use the calculations. You see the code, and you see that what is used in here, product type plus members slider times sold per person and sold the sale of the specific I use. So this is then for gift cards, the one right here. I have one for celebration gift cards, gift packages, and Christmas packages. So this one here is in the first one. Gift packages is for the second one, and then Christmas sales is for the third one. So these are also using conditional logic based on what is selected here in the top. I believe I covered all of it, and hopefully that will help a little bit. Have a great day.